Today we talk about my favorite must-have app that you really should install in your shops, and it probably generated us more than 40,000 euros in sales. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you had a great day. So let's talk about the app that I just mentioned. Before we do that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will upload as much as I can. So for now we have the new app, which is called Recart. So what this app does is to provide or give us access to the customer through Messenger, Facebook Messenger. So if your customer doesn't check out, he can get notified by the Facebook Messenger, which is huge because you have such a high rating, open rates. Helps us owners as well as the customer to finish the process. So I definitely recommend you to install Recart. It is for Shopify as well as for WooCommerce. If I show you my account right here, you can see this is just one day, I think the 25th March or something, where we had more than $1,300 euros, 1,300 euros in sales, which is just generated by this app. So this app is highly effective. If we go to overall, since we have this app, we have already 31,000 for this store. So I didn't check in for the other stores, but for this specific store, we already have, I think it's almost $40,000 in extra sales. So you can see here some numbers. We had 12,000 people who add something in their carts, and from those 12,000 we have 9,000 who didn't check out. We have an overall conversion rate of 16%, which is freaking high in the online marketing world. So it is really insane which numbers you can get with this app. So if we take a look here, I think I have somewhere some Messenger campaigns. These are basically campaigns that I created. So I sent more than 7,000 and I generated 1,100 euros. But what I actually wanted to show you is it is also capturing the emails and is sending out emails. As you can see here, the email rates are also pretty good. So you can see here 7,000 sent and it brought me 9,000 euros back. Overall 18,000. It's super easy to install. You go to your app store, you put Recart here in your search bar and you will find it over here, and you simply get and you will have access to your Shopify, to your Recart. And you are also able to connect it to different tools, which is also benefiting the whole process in a good way. Many applications are not as good as this one, so meaning that they're not good optimized and you have a high risk to lose a customer to check out with the initial purchase that he wanted to do. But this one is pretty much working in the background and the customer doesn't really feel or doesn't really get annoyed by any notifications, except it will get a reminder for the purchase that he didn't check out. And also you can create campaigns and send them certain new arrivals or special offers. But due to the new restrictions of Facebook, it is really critical right now. I was in a chat recently with them and they really told me that this is not possible anymore. So we are not able to send to each and every subscriber that we have in our messenger list to reach to them, but we are able to have a conversation with them and try and getting some engagement with the subscriber so he could potentially get some offers through this plugin. So the price is pretty fair. As you can see here, they charge you depending on your performance. So if you have like extra sales of $1,000, they will charge you $29 per month. So if you're going up, you can see if you would make $7,500 extra sales. So these are not the general sales, these are just the extra sales which are coming through this app. They would charge $29, which is really fair, and you just get a much higher open rate. I had even open rates from 70-80%. So almost every customer is opening the message, which is huge. And I hope this restriction from Facebook will get a little bit loose, or we find another way to reach out to the customers. This is still a huge app, and you should definitely install it in your shop. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next video.